Have you ever felt like you are always the one chasing after people, trying to win their attention and affection? Do you ever wish that the tables would be turned and someone would finally chase you instead? You might feel bad for asking yourself these questions, but I might have some good news for you. There are some easy yet powerful ways to make anyone chase you. By following these tips, you can create a magnetic appeal that instantly captures people's attention and might spark attraction. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 5 secret ways to make anyone chase you. Use reverse psychology. Reverse psychology is a tactic that involves asking someone to do the opposite of what you really want in order to achieve your desired outcome. While it may seem manipulative at first, it can be a powerful tool in the realm of dating and relationships. However, when using reverse psychology, it's important to approach it with sensitivity and care. Instead of simply trying to trick someone into chasing you, the goal should be to build a strong connection and create a deep bond based on mutual understanding and respect. One way to use reverse psychology in dating is to make a person feel valued and appreciated by subtly challenging them to be their best self. By giving them the space to prove their worth and showcase their talents, you can help them grow and thrive while also strengthening your relationship. Another way to use reverse psychology in a more touching manner is to let a person know how much you care by giving them time to miss you. By being independent and focusing on your own personal growth, you can create an aura of mystery and allure that will naturally draw them closer to you. Ultimately, the key to using reverse psychology is to be authentic, vulnerable, and transparent. By sharing your true feelings and desires, you can create a deep emotional connection that will stand the test of time and help you build a lasting and meaningful relationship. Have your own life apart from them. Being overly attached and dependent on a person can be detrimental to any relationship. It's important to avoid making the other person the center of your world or becoming too possessive, as this type of behavior can be associated with being toxic. Insecure individuals may find this behavior attractive, but most people are turned off by it. On the other hand, demonstrating your independence and showing that you have a balanced life with interests outside of being with this person can make you more attractive to anyone. This means pursuing hobbies or spending time with friends and not always relying on them for validation and attention. Maintaining your independence shows that you are self-sufficient, confident, and secure in yourself, all of which are qualities that make a great partner. It's important not to neglect your own interests and goals just because you want the person. In fact, having your own life outside of just being with them can create a healthy balance and bring unique perspectives and experiences to a relationship. This can lead to mutual respect and make the connection more dynamic and fulfilling. Ultimately, a healthy relationship should allow both partners to maintain their individuality while supporting each other's personal growth and interests. Focus on yourself. Attracting someone you are interested in can be an exciting yet nerve-wracking experience. It's important to remember that the best way to catch someone's attention is to be the best version of yourself. This means taking care of your physical and mental well-being and radiating confidence in everything you do. By doing so, you not only show your potential partner what they are missing out on, but you also demonstrate a deep respect and love for yourself. To be the best version of yourself, start by dressing in a way that reflects your personality and makes you feel good. When you are comfortable in your own skin, it shows in how you carry yourself and interact with others. Engage in physical activities that not only keep you fit, but also improve your mental and emotional well-being. This could be anything, from playing sports to hiking in nature. When you are interacting with the person you want to attract, show genuine interest in what they have to say and share your own thoughts and opinions. Don't be afraid to be yourself and let your unique personality shine through. It's okay to be silly or crack a joke, as long as it feels authentic to who you are. Above all, remember to love and respect yourself first. When you prioritize your own well-being and happiness, you naturally attract others who share those same values. So take the time to invest in yourself and your passions, and the right person will come along and chase you because of who you truly are. Give them space. If you try to chase someone and they don't chase you back or they are ignoring you, it's important to respect their need for space. Constantly trying to reach out to them or force them to interact with you will only push them further away. By giving them the time and space they need, you are demonstrating that you understand and respect their boundaries. This can actually work in your favor, as it may give them the opportunity to miss you and recognize the importance of your presence in their life. Instead of bombarding them with texts or calls, try stepping back and refraining from initiating contact. If they truly care about you, they will make the effort to reconnect and will eventually chase you. By giving them the chance to do this on their own, you are showing a level of maturity and understanding. In the end, giving someone space can be a way of showing love and respect in any relationship. It can demonstrate that you value their needs and are willing to put their well-being above your own desires. This can create a deeper connection and a sense of understanding between two people, and it can help to build a stronger and more lasting relationship. Be ready to walk away. Sometimes we find ourselves in situations where we need to make difficult decisions, and one of the hardest decisions is cutting ties with someone we care about deeply. However, when someone we value continues to ignore us despite our best efforts to reach out to them, we must prioritize our well-being and walk away from them. It may be heartbreaking to accept, but holding on to someone who doesn't return our efforts can be harmful to our mental and emotional health. Cutting ties doesn't mean we don't care about them anymore. It just means we care about ourselves more. By distancing ourselves, we allow ourselves the space to heal and grow without the burden of someone who doesn't value us. You may feel guilty or selfish for making this decision, but it is essential to remember that you deserve to be treated with respect and care. It's not an easy decision, but it is a necessary one, and it can easily make someone chase us. We must remind ourselves that we are strong enough to handle the pain of cutting ties, and we will come out of it better and more resilient. In the end, we may find that this decision was the best thing we could have done for ourselves, and we can move forward with the knowledge that we tried our best and made the right choice for our own well-being. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.